Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and welcome to Cagayan de Oro, which is in northern Mindanao, an island in southern Philippines. And today I'm just walking around a local neighborhood, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Puppy. Puppies everywhere. And kitty. Stores for instant noodles, coffee, washing detergent.
Look at that dog. Yeah,
oh. Oh yeah. One blue eye, one brown eye. So you said some of the nicer houses are owned by like foreigners, right?
Mm-hmm.
Americans, British. Oh, here's one that looks like an American house. Hello. Hello. Bye-bye.
Sofa kain. Sofa walk with online.
Soda. Don't put your trash here, please. St. Iglesia. Ignatius Learning Center. That's it, everybody, for my walk around Cagayan de Oro. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, please check out my China videos, my Hong Kong videos, my Thailand videos, my Philippines videos, my Taiwan videos, my Kung Fu videos, and my hiking videos. And I'll see you guys next time.